In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable VPN in Microsoft Edge. First, let's begin by opening Microsoft Edge. You can find the Edge icon on your desktop or in your taskbar. Once you click on it, the browser will launch and display your homepage. This is the starting point for enabling the VPN feature. Starting with this step ensures you are in the right environment to make the necessary changes. Now, if you are using Windows, you might also find Edge in your Start menu. This will get you to the right place without any hassle. Next, look for the three-dot menu located in the top right corner of the window. It appears as three horizontal dots stacked vertically. Clicking this menu will open a drop-down list that contains various options. This is crucial as it leads you to the settings you need. You will see options such as New Tab, New Window, and more. The menu is a gateway to customizing your browsing experience, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with what's available. Once you have clicked the three-dot menu, select the Settings option from the drop-down list. This action takes you to a new page dedicated to configuring Microsoft Edge according to your preferences. The Settings page is where you will find a variety of options ranging from appearance to privacy. Understanding how to navigate this page is essential as it will help you make the most out of Edge's features. After selecting Settings, you will notice several categories on the left sidebar which will guide you to specific settings. Now go to the section labeled Privacy, Search, and Services. You will find this option in the left sidebar of the Settings page. Clicking on it will display various options related to how you manage your privacy and search preferences. This step is important because it focuses on keeping your online activities private and secure. You may see toggles to manage tracking prevention and other privacy settings. Familiarizing yourself with these settings can greatly enhance your browsing security. After selecting Privacy, Search, and Services, scroll down until you reach the Security section. This section contains settings specifically tailored to enhance your browsing security. Scrolling through these options will give you insight into the various security features available to you. It is crucial to pay attention to this section as it holds the key to protecting your data while using the internet. Each setting contributes to a safer browsing experience, ensuring your information remains private. Now turn on the Microsoft Edge Secure Network or Edge Secure Network VPN depending on your version. You will find a toggle switch next to this option. Clicking it will enable the VPN feature, securing your internet connection. This step matters because the VPN helps protect your privacy by encrypting your data and masking your IP address. Once you toggle this on, you will see a confirmation message appear, reassuring you that your changes have been successfully applied. With that ready, you can now enjoy safer browsing with the VPN enabled. Remember, this feature helps shield your online activity from prying eyes. It ensures that your connection is secure, especially when using public Wi-Fi networks. In summary, enabling the VPN in Microsoft Edge is a straightforward process that enhances your online security. By following these steps, you can ensure a safer browsing experience. Thank you for watching and happy browsing.